drafted the constitution, a process that took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete. On view of this, today we are going to take the pledge of preamble. So all of you take the pledge. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. We, each one of us, ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಭಾರತದ ಜನಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ ಸಮಾಜವಾದಿ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಸಮಭಾವದ ಪ್ರಜಾಸತ್ತಾತ್ಮಕ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸಮಸ್ತ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನ್ಯಾಯ